Hello students, good evening. After a very long time, it's your exams once again, no? Hope all of you can hear me.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Right, great Pawan. And all of you can see me as well, right?
Yeah.
Sure,
Yes.
super. Right, good. Lot of people are getting in. So I will just brief you on what our purpose today is, right? What is the purpose of having this particular program? අයියද අපි මේක කරන්න කියලා අපි පොඩ්ඩක් බලමු ළමයි. I just thought of sharing with you some of the important aspects, right, of the recent trends and what are our expectations for the paper which is coming on 27th, right? So students, one thing, this we have 100 participants only, right? අපේ participants ලා 100කට තමයි මෙතන මේවා තියෙන මොනවද facility තියෙන්නේ. So what IS would do, IS would record this particular program and this program will be this program will be can't hear. Can you hear me, students? Yes, someone?
Yes, sir.
You can hear, no? The
Yeah.
people who just saying that they can't hear, just check your what do you call headphones, guys. Others can hear, right? So the purpose of this is that to clear the grounds with regard to the examination. So today the program, students, basic housekeeping rules. Mute your microphones all the time. If I am asking you some questions, you can unmute it and answer, and then thereafter once again you can mute it, right? Don't what do you call no what do you call unmute it where it will be disturbing to others, right? So not to worry, tell your friends even if they can't join, right? Join when බැරි වෙච්ච කවුරු හරි ඉන්නවා නම් let them say this will be uploaded to YouTube tomorrow or today evening, right? අද හරි හෙට උදේ හරි මේක upload කරනවා, right? Not to worry. Yes, now itself in WhatsApp people are putting that they can't join, only 100, right? So I will, okay, sorry for that. Great. So students, CA Sri Lanka cleared the ground. For people who are in Sri Lanka, it's a physical examination. The ones who are in overseas, it's an online examination where you have to bring your whatever the devices into the examination center, and at the examination center it will be a online examination, right? Not to worry, right? Now today I got a lot of questions, queries. Sir, it's like this, why api pitrata inna handa apita adut salakilida? Not to worry, students, take it as it is, make everything ganna, right? It's like this. No, they have to somehow conduct this. No, they are doing it in that way. So take it positively, right? Whether it is online or physical examination, you all will get hopefully the same paper, right? Same paper Google හැමෝටම හම්බෙයි. 20. What I want all of you on 27th, 27th, all of you go to the exam with a positive frame of mind. හැමෝම හොඳ positive frame mind එකකින් යන්න ළමයි, where you can do this, right? කරන්න පුළුවන් කියලා. And what are the learnings of us from the previous few examinations, right? Previous few examinations වල අපේ learnings මොනවද? What are our learnings? On the last examination, students, you would have seen, ඔයගොල්ලෝ දකින්න ඇති, the paper was into bit of practical aspects, right? ඔගොල්ලෝ paper එක බැලුවා නම් past paper එක December 2020, the paper was into more practical aspects, right? Practical aspect වැඩි. And the paper was open book examination, so that's why they were into more practical aspects they have tested. But fortunately our students were so good, right? And they did really well, remarkably well. ඉතාමත්ම හොඳට කරා. You would have seen the results. The students who were with us, glad to say, for the consecutive 5th time our students have got the prize, right? So not to worry anyone, because now you have had the best knowledge at the class in our online sessions. හැමෝටම හොඳම knowledge එක හම්බෙලා තියෙන ළමයි. So ඒ ගැන කිසිම දෙයක බය වෙන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. Few tips before we move into details, right? This will go into අපේ program එක 1.5 hours විතර තියෙයි ළමයි. So book your time for until 9:30 විතර වෙනකම් maximum, right? Yeah. And apart from that, tell your friends who are saying they can't join, this will be uploaded to YouTube. මේක YouTube එකට දානවා. ඒක හන්දා බය වෙන්න එපා, only 100 YouTube දායි. And first thing I wanted to tell you, now for the exam we have very limited time period, about few days. දවස් කිහිපයක් තියෙන්නේ. Whatever we do in these few days, right? Today is Tuesday. Next 2-3 days are extremely critical. If you can remember, last time also before the exam I did this kind of a program. ගිය පාරත් exam එකට ඉස්සෙල්ලා මේ වගේ program එකක් කරා. ඒක මාර helpful වුණා අපේ ළමයින්ට, right? Same thing I'm doing today. Very critical. Be smart now. දැන් ඔයා smart වෙන්න ඕන ළමයි, right? Hopefully most of you would have covered your theory by now. ගොඩක් කට්ටිය දැන් theory cover කරලා ඇති. Don't worry if you have not covered theory. Theory එච්චර cover කරලා නැත්නම් බය වෙන්න එපා, right? Not to worry. Smart වෙන්න. Be smart, right? මේකේ අපිට දැන් price එකට යන ළමයි price එක target කරන්න. I have what you call identified the people who are targeting the price, and I know that you guys will do. And for other students, right? Like myself, mama wage api samanya api lamai, for the people who are for passing, metara loku tarangayak kiyala ekak naha competition. You have to be smart now. Few things that you have to do. Keep eye karanna thiyenne. Number 1, take the examiner's revision kit. CL1 revision kit එක තියෙනවානේ CA Sri Lanka issue කරපු. Take it. ඒක ගන්න. Right? Then you have to get the pilot paper. Pilot paper එක ගන්න ළමයි. Right? Take the pilot paper. Revision kit, the pilot paper, and the most recent December 2020 paper. Revision kit, the pilot paper, the most recent December 2020 paper. ඔය ටික ගන්න. අද RAM, right? මේක දැන් 9:30ට ඉවරනාට පස්සේ නිදා ගන්න එපා දඩබඩුම් ගාලා, right? You have to study. ඔය ටික අරගෙන, right? පුළුවන් නම් if possible ඔය ප්‍රශ්න වලට උත්තර ලියන්න. If possible. If not, right? දැන් Tamanට ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් ලියන්න අමාරුයි කියලා තේරෙනවා නම් හිතුණා නම්, if you have thought that writing down answers in English is a bit difficult for you, but අමාරුයි කියලා හිතනවා නම්, don't worry. December 2020 paper එකේ තියෙනවනේ suggested solution. You have the suggested solution, no? That suggested solution, pilot paper suggested solution, and the examiner's revision kit suggested solutions. බලාගෙන උත්තරේ ලියන්න. Right? Answer, read the question, look at the answer and write the answer. Answer copy paste කරන්න. Write it. That's what I want you to do. Right? At this moment. කොහොම හරි pass වෙන්න. Right? ඒ examiner දීපු answer එක copy paste කරලා ලියන්න. No harm. Time එක බලන්න එපා, right? Time බලන්න, ඒ වගේ දේවල් ලොකු දේවල් කරන්න යන්න එපා. whatever the examiner's answer, look at and write. Balalalian, right? Just do it. Just do it, right? That will give you that confidence that you can write down the answer. We want to score only 50 marks, no? So to build up your confidence, look at the examiner's answer and just write. For a smarter student, right? The smart theory, okay, you have done your past papers, you have done your mock exam papers. For a person like that, now it's not like that, but I have told you, it's for you all, it's all about doing more practice. Right? You guys just practice, practice, and practice. For you all is that. For a student who is now seems that they don't have time, what you got to do? Copy paste just the answers. Just write. Right? What you got to do is that. I hope that by now you all are, let's say, have had your what do you call study leave. Study leave then avilla kiyala mana hitanawa. From starting today in the evening and tomorrow day after, likewise, students, at least 18 hours you have to work. 18 hours. No exception, right? So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 18 hours ගානේ වැඩ කරොත් මම කියන දේවල් පොඩක් multiply කරලා ගන්න. 18 hours multiplied by 3 is 36, 54. 54 real good hours of you working on CL1. See, එතකොට තමයි ළමයි වැඩේ කරන්නේ. Right? Very important. Examiners revision kit questions, pilot paper, December 2020 paper, answer and questions, look at them. Right? Then when you are doing it, the theory parts are there, where you find it difficult. Theory parts. The theory parts, right? Look at the study pack for my notes. My notes are study pack video. Look at the video. Video, study pack, and theory notes, right? Look at that. Technique then it is like writing a line on a rock. I kelima gale getu akurakaga hondara mataka hitna. Question ekath ekkama theory baluwata passe. Just do it, right? මේ කියන්නේ කොමාරි ළමයි ඔයගලන්ට පාස් වෙන්න 50 marks අරන් කොමාරි පාස් වෙන්න, right? මොකද it's all about your life, right? ඔයගලන්ගේ ජීවිතේ මොකද මේ techniques කරලා අපේ ළමයි සෑහෙන පාස් වුණා. You would have seen last time one student එක ළමෙක් 1.5 to 2 basically 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours she lost her time, right? She just cried and called me, sir, my laptop gone, it was restarted in the middle of the exam, so what to do? I just told her, right, focus and just do. She got 51 to 52 marks. I can, if I can remember, right? May techniques karot lamai, proven techniques, right? Right? So what to conclude on that point? May dawas 3 days coming up, right? Do your studies with the questions. Questions mama questions kalla tiyena e questions balanna, right? Do your studies with the question. Very important, critical, right? A vidiyata karanna. Just do it in that way. Good. Mokada, why? Because you guys all are now adults, right? Above 18 years of age, right? Out of the heart වැඩි. So therefore students දැන් අර ශිෂ්‍යත්ව පන්ති වගේ O level A level classes in that way, no point of just cramming, right? Cram කළා වැඩක් නැහැ. So no point of doing that. So what you got to do? Study with questions. Established, right? Now is it okay?
Now okay, sir.
All right, good. Right, good. Now 18 hours you got to work in that way, right? So wait a minute. Right, good. Next point, I wanted to tell you, last time also examiners comments. Examiner ke comment last time make it. Action verbs. Our people have not written down answers onto action verb. Right? Action verb begada liyala naha. Very important, guys. I'm sharing my screen. Hope you all can see. Just go through the action verbs. Right? Action verbs. It's in your study pack. Just go through the action verbs. Very critical, very important. Right? When the examiner tells you to do explaining, discussing, relating, draw, define, right? All these action verbs has some important meaning. He would say analyze, he would say discuss, right? List keyword, you got to list, right? List karanna. If he says relate, relate. Now I was thought of doing a particular action verbs related video, but during the time I was so busy I couldn't do. There was an action verbs related program which was done by I think CA Sri Lanka. You can go through that, which is in YouTube, right? Eka balanna. My humble request, what do you call? Write according to the action verb. Action verb is the word that is being bolded in your question. Bolded in your question. Action verb එක තමයි bold කරලා තියෙන්නේ question එකේ. ඒක හොඳට බලන්න. Right? Very important that point. I think මේ action verbs ටික බලාගෙන ඒ action verb එකට අනුව ලියනවා නම් කිසිම ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. Very important. Right? Next point. Students, critical time periods, COVID-19. I have shared with you, ඔයගලත් එක්ක මම share කරා COVID-19 related guidance issued by CA Sri Lanka. Hope all of you have it. හැමෝගාම තියෙනවා මම හිතන්නේ. I hope COVID-19 related guidance, which I have shared in WhatsApp as well as our Facebook groups. So critical in the coming next 3 days, ඉස්සරහට තියෙන දවස් 3 ළමයි ඒ guidance ටික කියවන්න. Just read those COVID-19 related guidance. It's extremely deadly critical. Right? Hope you have it. ඔයගොල්ලෝ ගාව ඒක තියෙනවා කියලා මම හිතනවා. ඒ guidance කියවන්න COVID-19 related guidance. Very important. Extremely important. කවුරු ගාව හරි නැත්නම් මට පොඩි message එකක් WhatsApp එකේ දාන්න. Just put a small message in WhatsApp. I will once again share it. So that gives you with regard to COVID-19, with regard to risk assessment, what you have to do, audit procedures, what you got to do, subsequent events, what you have to do, right? Everything is given in that particular COVID-19 related guidance. මම ආයි පාරක් ඕනනම් share කරන්න. print එකක් දාගෙන හරි කොහොම හරි ඒ ටික කියවලා exam එකට යන්න. CA Sri Lanka issued COVID-19 related guidance. Next point, right? A point එකත් සෑහෙන වැදගත්. Because students පොඩි disturbance එකක් එයි අපේ බවුව පොඩ්ඩක් කෑ ගන්නවා, right? Okay, don't make it serious. So next point, because students previous exam was also there was a COVID-19 related question. COVID-19 related question එකක් තිබුණා. ඒ question එකත් COVID-19 related guidance වලින් අපිට answer කරන්න පුළුවන්. Apart from the standards, right? Standards පැත්තකින් තියලා අර ටිකෙන් answer කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. So COVID-19 guidance, I will again share. Some students are putting it. They didn't receive it. I will share that COVID-19 related guidance. ඒක හොඳට කියවන්න exam එකට යන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා. එනවමයි, right? මේ එන ඒවා. නිකන් මේ වල්පල් කතා කරන්න අවසාන මොහොතේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ වෙලාව ගත්තේ නැහැ, right? මේ එන ප්‍රශ්න COVID-19 related guidance. Very critical. right? Okay. Next. Next point. Hopefully you would have received, I think today again I have shared it. Mama ada I share kara ogalat ekka. This, wait a moment. CL1 exam related guidance prepared by me. මම prepare කරපු exam related guidance ඔයගොල්ලෝ ගත්තා කියලා හිත මේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ ගාවට ආවා කියලා හිතනවා දැන්. Students, just read it, make a body glance එකක් දාන්න, right? Have a small glance of that. පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න. Right? You have 10 MCQ questions. MCQ 10ක් තියෙනවා. Apparently MCQs 20 marks are given, 2 marks each. At least try to score 16 from this. Making ලකුණු 16ක්වත් ගන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ 8ක්වත් හරියට කරගන්න බලන්න. Very important. As your first task, පළවෙනි task එක විදියට මේ MCQs ටික කියවන්න. කියවන්න answer කරන්න. Answer these MCQs. Very critical, right? MCQ ටික answer කරන්න. Wait a moment. Starting first thing, answer MCQs. MCQs answer kala වැඩේ පටන් ගන්න. Then if you can remember, students, you have section number 2 where you have 4 questions with 10 marks, and section number 3 you have 2 questions with 20 marks each, 40 marks. My advice, in your reading time, ඔයගලන්ට reading time එකක් එනවනේ. මේ ඔක්කොම smartly ඔයගලන්ට exam එක arrange කරගන්න තියෙන උපදෙස්, right? මොකද කොච්චර theory කරත් හරිද මොනවා කරත් වැඩක් නැහැ. Whatever you do, if you can't answer smartly for your paper. Smart answering, first thing, your reading time. In your reading time, you can't read all the questions. හැම ප්‍රශ්නෙම ඔයගලන්ට කියවන්න හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ, right? විනාඩි 15 20යි තියෙන්නේ. You have about 15 to 20 minutes reading time. My advice, if you are a smart guy, if you want to pass, right, read questions 6 and 7 only in reading time. What my advice? You there අපිට අර දොඩංගොඩ එකපාර බදා ගන්න බෑනේ ළමයි, right? හැම question එකක්ම ඔතන questions තියෙනවා. 10 MCQs, 4 scenario types. So එතන තියෙනවා තව 2 large questions. ඔක්කොම කියවන්න බෑ. විනාඩි 15 20යි තියෙන්නේ. So in the reading time, read those 2 questions which are giving you 40 marks. අර ලකුණු 40 දෙන අවසානෙට තියෙන ප්‍රශ්න දෙක කියවන්න. හරිද? මෙහෙම තමයි වැඩේ දෙන්නේ වැඩි, right? ඒ ප්‍රශ්න දෙකේ ලකුණු 40ක් තියෙනවා. Read it together with the action verb. Action verb එකත් එක්ක හොඳ හුස්මක් අටක් අරන් take a deep breath and read those questions and see the examiner's requirement what it is. ඒක මොකක්ද කියලා හිතා ගන්න. ලියලා කියවලා reading that, right? What is the examiner's expectation? ඔයාගේ වචනෙන් පොඩියට තැනක ලියන්න. Right? Just do it in that way. Advice, read questions 6 and 7, I think, right? අර අන්තිම මට numbers දෙක පැටලුණා නම් whatever, section 3 එකේ තියෙන large 2 questions, 20 marks 2 questions, those 2 read at the reading time. If you don't read it at the reading time, what would happen to you? ඔයාලට මොකද වෙන්නේ? Otherwise you will read these 2 questions, මේ දෙක ඔයා කියවන්නේ ළමයි at the end. ඔයා මේක කියවන්නේ අන්තිමට. අන්තිම කියන්නේ කොයි වෙලාවේද? Most of the case that is the time where you are running short of time. අර බෙල්ල කඩාගෙන right ලියන වෙලාවේ. නේ? බෙල්ලත් රිදෙනවා, අතත් රිදෙනවා. අන්න ඒ වෙලාවේ තමයි මේ ඔයා මේක කියවන්නේ ළමයි. ඒ වෙලාවට මේකේ අහලා තියෙන මොනම අන්ධ භූතයක්වත් ඔළුවට යන්නේ නැහැ. Nothing will go into your mind if you read this question, no, it's a large question. No, if you read it at the last 30 40 or 1 hour, nothing will go into your mind. You will be a failure at that time. They're running. අනිත් එක ඔය අන්තිම questions දෙකේ last two questions ගොඩක් තියෙනවා easy parts. ඒක තියෙනවා ගොඩක් easy parts. So ඒ ටික identify කරගන්න. To identify that, read those two questions at the reading time. Right? So what you got to do? Reading time, read the last 2, 6, 7 larger questions together with the question and the action, whatever the scenario එක ටික කියවන්න. Right? අනිත් ඒවා කියවන්න යන්න එපා. MCQ කියවන්නත් එපා. නිකම් time wasting, right? MCQ අර ලස්සනට කියවන්න පුළුවන් exam එක පටන් ගත්තාම. When the exam starts, you can read the MCQs. Right? So at the reading time, read those large 2 questions. Are loku questions deka reading time එකේ කියවන්න, right? And other two anit questions exam එක කරන වෙලාවට කියවන්න. Once the exam writing time or your answering time on the computer, if you are online candidate, when it starts, start from MCQs. MCQ වලින් පටන් ගන්න ළමයි. Start from MCQs. Your questions I will answer at the end, right? ඔයාලා අහන questions වලට මම අන්තිමට උත්තර දෙන්නම්. මොනවාරි questions තියෙනවා chat එකේ දාන්න, no problem, right? What did I told you? Start with MCQs. Answer කරන්න පටන් ගන්න MCQ එකෙන්. MCQ, start answering with MCQ. 10 questions are there. Generally examiner is giving you some 40 minutes for that. My advice for MCQs, you get in 20 marks, no? Keep maximum 20 to 25 minutes. විනාඩි 25ක් වෙද්දි ටට්ටක් ගාලා ඉවර කරන්න ඕන. Once you get the paper, අර timing ටික ලියා ගන්න. මම මේක මේ වෙලාවෙදි ඉවර කරනවා කියලා section එක ගාවින්ම ලියා ගන්න. By this time it will finish. Smart answering, right? They smart answering with you. You get my point, right? So that's what you got to do. MCQ වලින් පටන් ගන්න. Start with MCQs. Within 20, maximum 25 minutes, complete it. Now you are fresh. If you have most of the case, you can get easily 88 questions correct. That is 16 marks. A 16 දාගත්තාම බෑග් එකට ළමයි තව ලකුණු 34යි ගහන්න ඕන. Right? Another 34 marks that you have to score. That you can do. By that time, right? MCQ ඉවර වුණාම when you complete MCQ, right? MCQ ඉවරම ලකුණු 16කුත් අතේ දාගෙන ඉන්නේ. ඔයාලා විනාඩි paper එකට විනාඩි 25යි. Now 25 minutes to the paper. ලකුණු 16කුත් තරම් you have obtained 16 marks. ලකුණු 16කුත් අතේ. And also on the other side, that large 2 questions you have already read. අර ලොකු questions දෙක දැනට ඔයා කියවලා ඉවරයි. See how relaxed you are now. See, එහෙමයි smartly game ගහන්නේ. අපි ඔයාලා වචනෙන්ම කිව්වොත්, right? Look at how smart and how relaxed you are now. Right? 16 marks. That is 25 minutes to the paper. 16 marks you have already obtained. And you have read the most difficult and larger questions. What else you need, right? ඉතින් එහාට මොනවද ඕන? ඊට පස්සේ mind is free now. දැන් mind එක free. ගෙනියන්න chocolate මම හැමදාම කියනවා වගේ, right? Takes a few chocolates, grapes ගෙඩි දෙක තුනක් අරන් යන්න නේ. අපි වගේ නම් ඉස්සර පොඩි wine shot එකක් ගෙම අතරන් යනවා, right? Okay. මොනවා හරි එම තමන් මොනවා හරි එම එපා කියලා නැහැ නේ කවුරුවත්, right? Okay. එම කියලා මේ fully intoxicate වෙන මොනවා හරි ගන්න ගෙනියන්න එපා. Not that, but no grapes ගෙඩි දෙක තුනක්, whatever, few chocolates, chocolate biscuits, right? Whatever will motivate you, right? ඔයාව පොඩ්ඩක් අර boost කරලා ගන්න. Whatever that, or Red Bull එකක් මම දන්නේ නැහැ ගෙනියන්න දුන්නොත් එහෙම. Then free, right? Now you are free. අරකට ඇවිල්ලා. Then what you got to do, ළමයි, what you have to do, there are another 4 questions, no? තව questions 4ක් තියෙනවා. අර section 2 එකේ. Start answering them. ඒවා answer කරන්න පටන් ගන්න. මම මේ කියන්නේ general එකක්. මට personally කතා කරපු ළමයි හිටියා. There were students who have personally called me. For them I have given you different approaches, right? ඒ ඕගොල්ලෝ මම ඕගොල්ලන්ට කියපු අර personally මට කතා කරපු කට්ටියට කියපු approach එක යන්න. People who have personally called me, there were few called from Qatar, few called from Maldives, and some Sri Lanka people who are in Sri Lanka also called me. For you, my friends, you go into the way that I have told you, but this is for general, right? Okay, after MCQs, generally you move into that 10 marks questions. 10 marks questions are කියවලා නැහැ. හැබැයි ඒවට answer කරන්න lazy. One question I have given you here, මේකේ ඔයාලට දීලා තියෙනවා. One question, multiple choice, I have told you, small case. මේ instructions කියවන්න ළමයි. Read these instructions. Edit කියවන්න. Right. One question may test your code of ethics, right? Bread and butter, code of ethics. Most of the case, code of ethics will come to analyze the ethical threats. These are in analyze karna ethical threat. Analyze it with the threat, with the fundamental principle that will be breached, as well as your suggestion for mitigating action, your safeguards. ඒවත් එක්ක ලියන්න ආයේ නෑ එක්සැමිනර්ට තේරෙන්නේ. මම කියන එක තේරෙනවන්නේ? ආයේ අපි මේක කරලා තියෙන්නේ උපරිමයට. When it is that thing, code of ethics, sometimes this NOCLA case එක එන්න පුළුවන්, right? Non-compliance to regulations, laws and regulations, that will come under confidentiality. Situations where you got to override confidentiality and just inform bribes, frauds, malpractices, terrorism financing into external third parties. NOCLA balagatte නැත්නම් අද ඉඳලා NOCLA බලාගන්න. අද බලන්න. right? අදට NOCLA කියලා Google ගන්න නැත්නම් පටස් ගාලා code of ethics ගන්න බලන්න. අපි කරා videos බලන්න NOCLA regulations. Code of ethics වල NOCLA ඒ ටික චුට්ටක් බලන්න. Very important, right? Because money laundering, terrorism financing මේ දවස්වල පොඩ්ඩක් කතා වෙන මාතෘකාවනේ black money ඔය දේවල්. Right. Code of ethics ප්‍රශ්නයක් આવොත් it will come, right? Self threat to independence and mitigating actions, it will come. Then the one 5 marks guarantee, 5 to 6 marks guarantee. 16ක් අතන මෙතන 5යි 21යි. right? මෙහෙමයි ළමයි ලකුණු ගන්න. This is how you score marks, right? Now දන්නේම නැහැ ලකුණු ටික ඇවිල්ලා. Okay, right. Then ඊළඟට ඔයා යන්න ඔයාට අනිත් ප්‍රශ්නේ සමහරට මේ professional appointment පැත්තෙන් එන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක එන්න පුළුවන්. නැත්නම් මේ digitalization පැත්ත. Very important. Digitalization. මේ digitalization part එක ළමයි extremely important. Very important. Why I am saying that? මම මේක කියන්නේ ඇයි digitalization important කියලා. Why I am saying that? Because if you have seen, I have shared, mama share karawa බලන්න vacancies වගේක් මේ ළඟදී. Whatever the vacancies which are coming to me, I am sharing. If you can remember, in Hatton National Bank, cyber security, they are recruiting people for cyber security. So cyber security is a very important topic now. Robotic process automation, cyber security, cryptocurrency, right? Digitalization, fintech. මේ සයිඩ් එක එන්න පුළුවන් ළමයි. Computer assisted auditing techniques හොඳට බලාගෙන යන්න. Big data, data analytics බලන්න. Look at those. Digitalization question එකක් එනවාමයි. A question will come from digitalization, right? So in your revision kit there are some digitalization questions. ඒ ටික බලන්න කරන්න. In our videos which we have done in our, I think, theory class also we did. People who came into our theory class, what you call theory in the sense physical class, there were videos also for digitalization which we have discussed. එහෙම නැත්නම් ඔයා අපේ class ආපු නැති ළමයෙක් නම්, right? This is open invitation all that. I didn't want to discriminate anyone, right? That's why I asked for everyone to come without charging anything, right? ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ එහෙම මොකුත් අවශ්‍ය නැහැ අපිට. හැමෝටම වෙන්නේ කිව්ව එකයි. මේවා මාර important ළමයි. Digitalization කියන topic එක, right? හොඳට බලා ගන්න digitalization එකේ at least the topics headings ටිකයි චුට්ටක් skim read එකක් දාලා යන්න. Computer assisted auditing techniques වල what you call general audit software and test data වලින් කරන functions. What are the things that you do as auditor from general audit software and test data? Look at them and go. Fintech, big data, data analytics, all those, phishing, cyber security, all those are important. ප්‍රශ්නයක් එනවා, right? Question will come from that. ඒක එනවා දැන් මගේ එනවා, right? තව දවස් 3කින් 4කින් ඔයාලට ඒ ප්‍රශ්නේ හම්බෙයි මුණට. Right? It will come. Internal controls, test of controls, ලකුණු 10ක ප්‍රශ්නයක් එනවා ළමයි in your paper. Internal controls and test of controls. Spam soap දාලා ලියන්න ඕන question එක හරියට ලියන්න. Examiner will ask from you weaknesses in internal controls. එයා අහයි ඔයාගෙන් internal controls වල තියෙන weakness එක clearly say will it result in a fraud, will it result in an error, will it result in a misstatement, clearly කියන්න යාට. If it violates an assertion එකක් violate කරොත් ඒකත් කියන්න. Tell him weaknesses in internal controls. When examiner asks you to propose recommendations, provide from spam soap internal controls. ඒක දෙන්න. Right? මේ 10 marks question master කරන්න විදිය. මේ 10 marks questions ටික master කරගන්න විදිය තමයි මේකේ සමහර විට ළමයි internal controls in a digitalized environment අහන්න පුළුවන්. He can ask you. Right? Controls in a cyber security environment like access controls, right? Backup of data, right? General internal controls and specific internal controls in AS, right? ඒවා චුට්ටක් බලාගෙන යන්න. Next question, which I told you, is this risk assessment, highly important area. මේ risk assessment කියන එක highly important. මේ risk assessment part එකට C students SLAs 315, 330, 200, 320 මේ standards ටික හොඳට use කරන්න. Right? අර professional appointment එකට මේ මම කියපු standards ටික බලන්න. Look at those standards. Professional appointment for risk assessment, this thing, read these standards, audit planning, whatever, ඒ ටිකක් කියවන්න. Sometimes this time examiner may ask from you due to COVID-19 pandemic, right? COVID-19 pandemic, sometimes you are unable to perform some procedures. Maybe interim audit you have to do, maybe final audit you have to do, we have to do audit on a staged basis. මේක අහන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට කොහොමද කරන්නේ audit planning හොඳට බලා ගන්න. What are the contents of audit plan? What are the contents of the audit strategy? හොඳට බලාගෙන යන්න. Very important. Right? ඒක සෑහෙන important තමයි. මේ audit appointment එකත් බලන්න. ඒකත් ටිකක් important. Audit planning ඊට පස්සේ. Right? Fraud risk, window dressing, right? ඒ ඔක්කොම බලන්න මෙන්න මේ standards මම කියලා තියෙනවා. Whatever the standards here. Going concern, fraud, related party, non-compliance with laws and regulations. When it comes to accounting standards, impairment, revenue, intangible assets, events occurring after the balance sheet date, deferred tax, construction contracts, provisions, investment property, and going concern LKS 1. These accounting standards and these auditing standards, very critical because they are COVID-19 related. When you are doing this, ekama mama kiwwe read that COVID-19 pandemic guidance ටිකක් කියවන්න, right? Pandemic guidance ටිකක් කියවලා ඒකත් එක්ක මේක කරන්න. එතකොට වැඩේ ලේසි. It's very easy, right? Very important. දැන් අර ප්‍රශ්නත් එක්ක මේ ටික කරනකොට හොඳට ඔළුවට යනවා. This will go into your mind, right? Very critical. Then auditing of accounting estimates, SLA US 540. Impairment audit කරන්න කිව්වොත් මම හිතනවා මම ඔයගොල්ලෝ පොඩි මම කියන ඒවා නෝට් කරගන්න ඇති නෝට්බුක් එක නැත්නම් මේ වීඩියෝ එක YouTube දැම්මම ආයෙ ඕනනම් බලන්න, right? If the examiner asks you to audit impairment assessment, use this SLA US 540 auditing of accounting estimates. ඒක හොඳට බලන්න. Estimate එකක් audit කරන්නේ කොහොමද? How to assess management's assumptions, right? How to assess management's purpose, approvals, obtaining a written representations. All these are very important. SLAs 540. When you are auditing an estimation like impairment, retirement benefit, gratuity, right? Those estimations or warranty provisions, obligations, accounting estimates. Analytical procedures එනවා, right? Risk assessment එක කරද්දී ratios calculate කරන්න වෙයි. ඕටික බලා ගන්න. Inventory count, yes. ඔයගොල්ලෝ bread and butter ඔයගොල්ලෝ බලනවා. ඊළඟට මේක ළමයි audit reporting, very important, right? මෙන්න මේ standards ටික අනිවාර්යයි, very important. 700, 701, 705, 706, 720, 570, 560, 580 and 550. මේවයින් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නාවොත් ඒක ලෝක පුදුමයක්. These questions will come definitely. Right? May questions ටික අනිවාර්යෙන් එනවා ළමයි. Right? So, a particular type of questions I have given you which examiner can ask you. පොඩ්ඩක් බලා ගන්න. Right? Then quality control. Last time also quality control question came. Right? Quality control වලින් ආවා. Sri Lanka standards on අපේ videos බලන්න. Standards on quality control number 1, SLA US 220 and 230. Quality control framework. What are the things that you got to do? Direction, supervision and review. Right? Direction, supervision and review. Last time there was a question. No proper review has been done for a quoted public limited liability company. That I can remember that particular senior audit supervisor's name also. Malaka Kila man kenek. Can you remember? December 2020 question. Right? Quality control, it came. So that particular question, be prepared and just answer. Right? Make අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම කරන්න. Prepare වෙන්න බලන්න. මේ questions එක්කම මේක බලන්න. හොඳට වට කරන්න පුළුවන්. Using the work of others, internal auditor බලන්න. Audit reporting very important මම කිව්වා, right? Planning, group audit ඒ දෙක බලන්න. Special audit risk areas, COVID-19 related going concern and subsequent events. As once again I am repeating, COVID-19 CA Sri Lanka guidance which I have shared with you. Look at that. Fraud risk triangle, fraud, look at that. The need for internal audit, yes, all sorts of stuff, very important. Right? Assertions tika mama දීලා තියෙනවා. දන්නේ නැත්නම් ආයෙ බලන්න. Just look at it. Audit procedures also I have given you. Those are the basic areas that will be tested. Out of that, audit reporting, planning, risk assessment, ethics. Extremely important. Right? මේ ටික බලාගෙන යන්න. Right? Then the next. වැඩි වෙලාවක් මේවා instructions කියවන්න යන්න එපා because it's your precious time no. But වෙලාව තියෙනවා නම් කියවන්න. Today I have shared with you another one. Exam techniques, ethics and regulations question එකකට කොහොමද answer කරන්න කියලා ඔයාලට මම WhatsApp කරා. මේකේ තියෙනවා හැම question එකකම. If it is let's say ethical threat, self interest what it is, right? Then self review what it is, how to approach practical ethical questions, explaining a threat how to do, reducing and eliminating ethical threats what you can do, right? ඒ හැමදේම මේ guidance එකේ තියෙනවා ළමයි. All these are there, right? So look at that before you are going. Resignation එකක් කරනවා නම් ethics ප්‍රශ්නයකට it's the last resort. මේ තියෙන්නේ example එකක් එක්ක මම answer කරන විදිය ඔයාලට දීලා තියෙනවා. I have given you. Right? Audit planning and risk assessment. Planning key areas to make you have to see, examine happy karanna monada karanna ona, common pitfalls, what are risks, how to answer practical question, everything, right? For all questions I have covered here. I have shared with you all these because I want the prize winner coming from us. අපේම prize winner එක තමයි අවශ්‍ය. ඉතින් මෙච්චර ළමයි ඔයාලට guidance එකක් දීලා තියෙනවා. Right? Very important. මේකත් කියව ගන්න. Each question how to attempt. Right? Risk assessment නම් මොකද කරන්න ඕන? Right? Common pitfalls. Internal control question එක කොහොමද answer කරන්නේ? Right? Key areas to make sure. Right? For internal control question. Common pitfalls of yours. Right? Deficiencies in internal controls. Explain clearly things about bad things in internal controls. Your recommendation. What you have to do, who has to do, කවුද කරන්න ඕන, ඒ ටික ඔක්කොම answer එකේ ලියන්න. Then the information I'm giving you right now, students, are enough, adequate, even if you have not studied still. තාම පාඩම් කරේ නැත්නම් ඒත් මේ ඇති. මොකද ප්‍රශ්නෙට එන ප්‍රශ්නෙට ලියන්න ඕන උත්තරේ දීලා තියෙනවා. I have given you the answer for the question which is coming. So to that extent, we have made your life easy. Examples also given, right? Internal audit. When the question is on internal audit, what you got to do, right? That you have to do, right? Audit evidence question, SLA is 500. What you got to do? Audit procedures, right? All those. When the examiner asks you to provide audit procedures, tell what are the assertions you have to address, who has to do it, right? What is your procedure? Provide the answer in that way. Provide your answer in that way. In that way, you have to do. So, what I want you to do, what you got to do, as I told you, take those most recent papers, pilot paper and December 2020 online paper, read it with the with the answers, revision kit, read with the answers, do that in that way. Action verbs balanna, strategize, right? Strategize in the way that I told you. Read at the reading time the last two questions. Start your answering with MCQs. Spend about 20 to 25 minutes for MCQs. MCQ වලට විනාඩි 20ක් 25ක් විතර පාවිච්චි කරන්න. And thereafter, do the remaining that section 2 4 questions in about, let's say, 1 hour's time. Your timing hadal ලියාගන්න. And finally, leave about 80 minutes. විනාඩි 80ක් විතර. 40 minutes each for those two larger questions. A question, and the other point, students, don't leave any question unanswered. Answer karan නැතුව එක question එකක්වත් ඉතුරු කරන්න එපා. Answer every question. Answer all the questions. ඔක්කොම questions answer කරන්න. That's critical. That's really important, right? My advice is that very important. Apart from that, what you have to do, read these instructions I have given you. These are for you to be smart at the last moment. And I have seen a lot of questions you have sharing in our WhatsApp groups. For some I have answered. I will answer other questions as well. මේ තියෙන අනිත් questions වලට මම answer කරන්නම් ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ today, because to tell you students, I have to quarantine, right? මට quarantine වෙන්න වුණා due to a COVID contact. So I'll be staying at home. So when I have time, PCR test is tomorrow, right? PCR එකක් කරනවා. This is my third PCR which is been happening. තුන්වෙනි එක කරන්නේ. So previous two were negative. Hopefully next tomorrow's one it will also be negative. So that's life, right? These days that's a life again, right? So I will answer those questions, and my phone is anytime my phone is okay. People who are calling from, let's say, Qatar, Dubai, Maldives, even in Sri Lanka, students, if you have any question, just doesn't matter. I will answer your calls, clear your doubts, right? Doubts clear karaganna. This is how our students are becoming the prize winners, right? Very important. So if you have any questions, right, so far, Manohari questions, if you have any questions, I will just see, right? Any questions? Yes. Would you mind sharing this document? Yes, I will share these documents. Any questions? So when the no class session I have done when I was doing code of ethics, and for there we had two batches, right? For other batch, I did it with a question. No class question එකක් කරේ. If what එක හොයාගන්න බැරි නම් just Google, right? Google කරන්න no class regulations in Sri Lanka, it will come. Non-compliance to regulations, laws and regulations කියලා no class කියලා ගන්න ඒක එනවා. Then that will CA Sri Lanka has given you certain instances where you have to disclose, even though there is confidential requirement, you got to inform them to third parties. Ek no class Google karat ඔයාට ගන්න පුළුවන්. So what is the weightage for quality control in your paper? In our paper, quality control lamai maybe some 7-8 marks question. ලකුණු 7-8 question එකක් අතාරින්න එපා. easy කියවන්න, right? මේක කියවන්න ලේසි. Quality control, direction, supervision and review, quality control requirements for firm, quality control requirement for individual audit engagement. එහෙම කියලා දෙකකට දාගන්න ඒටි කියවණන් එයදී. මහා දේවල් කියවන්න එපා. ඒකෙන් answer එක develop කරන්න. You can do that, right? how to allocate time for questions, I told you, I think, right? Reading time, read last 2 questions, start with MCQs for 20 to 25 minutes. විනාඩි 25 එක ඉවර කරන්න. ඒක ලියා ගන්න, right? තමන්ගේ question එක ගාම මේ වෙලාවෙදි ඉවර කරන්න ඕන කියලා ලියා ගන්න. At the place of your question, write down at this time I have to finish this. At the, let's say, reading time මේ කරන්න ඕන දේවල්. At the place of, let's say, section 2, I have to finish section 2 by this time. ඒ විදිහට ලියන්න. Don't leave any question unanswered, right? Answer කරන්න නැතුව එකක්වත් තියන්න එපා. Can we take the answers for MCQ booklet? That particular booklet, I think, this auditing standard related MCQs, I'm still developing it, students, because I have developed the questions, but the answers I couldn't develop. In let's say 1 day's time, I would be able to develop it, finish it. I will share it with you in our WhatsApp groups. Never, don't worry, right? That MCQ or that Lokupota, right? I will share those with you. Not to worry. Any more questions? Yes. Nokla, one student has discussed. Yes, is it probable that we could get group auditing? Yes, group auditing poda balagan audit planning එක study pack එක, it's there. In study pack it's there. In our class I just touched upon මම එච්චර කරේ වැඩි බැලුවේ නැහැ. නමුත් study pack එකේ එක තියෙනවා. මම ඕනනම් පොඩි short note එකක් ගහලා වාට එවන්නම්. I will මට පොඩි වෙලාවක් තියෙන හන්ද, since I have time, I will send you a short note on group auditing. I will do that, right? Good point that you have highlighted. Thank you very much. Any more questions, Lamai? Any more questions? There's a direct message. Yes, what do you call, as a final instruction, I want to tell all this. Make a right? Very important. Students, it's like this, right? Stay focused. Now, as I always tell you, you will be one day the leaders in the finance profession in Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, the companies, the government, everywhere, the finance profession will be run by you in another 5, 10, 15 years time. Questions no problem, right? Chat එක දාන්න. You guys are the ones who will run the finance profession in Sri Lanka, right? So you have to be equipped with all these, right? I gave you the planning how to do in next 3 days. ඊළඟ දවස් 3 හොඳට plan කරගන්න විදිය කිව්වා, right? I'm also at home next 3 days, so ask any question, no problem. මොන හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් ගන්න ටක් ගාලා call එකක් කරන් sir මේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා කියලා කියන්න. Very important that you pass in this exam. The exam එක pass එක very important. Now 1.5 years, about approximately 1.5 years, we were doing this and that and no COVID gaga api එක එක විකාර කර කර හිටියා. Right now it's over. Right, COVID ඉවරයි. දැන් injection උත් ඇවිල්ලා ඉවරයි කියන්නේ you have to now manage and just go. Take the responsibility of your life. තමන්ගේ ජීවිතේ ගැන තමන් responsibility එකක් ගන්න. Take the responsibility of your life. Your parents are looking at you and you have to do a justice for you. What justice එකක් වා කරන්න ඕන, right? So therefore guys, study well මේ දවස් කීපේ, right? හොඳට fresh mind එකකින් ගිහලා exam එක ලියන්න, right? Go and write down your exam. Do the online exam. Don't worry online examination. Online exam කියලා බය වෙන්න එපා. ඔයාට කරන්න පුළුවන්. The way that I told you is very helpful for you. Anytime, keep in mind that you will get through this exam. You can do it, right? කරන්න පුළුවන් ගිය පාරවල ළමයි කරා students have done it ඒක හන්ද ඒ විදියටම කරන්න right some more few questions are there I will answer them as well last few questions yes sir does it enough to remember 3 substantive procedures for each process each let's say assertion each let's say account balance 3 substantive procedures is enough but try to remember about 4 හතරක් විතර මතක තියාගන්න බලන්න with the management written representation එක අන්තිමට දාන්න put management written representation at the last start with inquiry then go for some inspection of documents like board meeting minutes then go for some inspection of documents like let's say whatever documents inspect run start with inquiry documents inspection do some recalculation or calculation part finally end your audit procedure with obtaining a management written representation මම කියන්නේ මේ smartly මේ answer කරන විදිය right ඔක්කොම කටපාඩම් කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ තුනක් okay 3 is enough but try to remember about 4 හතරක් විතර මතක තියාගන්න බලන්න do we need to memorize all 17 principles related to internal control framework එච්චරනම් ඕනේ නැහැ not that enough but if possible better right මතක තියාගන්න මොනවා හරි ඕන if you want to remember something cram if you want to cram something 17 principles no just write them right කොලයක ලියන්න එතකොට automatically it will go into your mind any more questions so actually corporate governance is not memorized will it be important to this exam corporate governance has been removed from your paper from your syllabus corporate governance is now in business level and another part is in your strategic level it's not in this level but a basic frame of corporate governance is enough වැඩි ලොකුවට බලන්න එපා board structure look at the board structure that corporate governance has been moved to business level and strategic level but just have a smaller look if you like right පොඩියට බැලුවොත් board structure non audit audit committee එක ගැන චුට්ටක් බලන්න look at about the requirements and let's say what are the requirements of the audit committee ඒක චුට්ටක් බලන්න look at that planning related questions are very difficult to understand sir planning related questions use analytical procedures to identify audit risk use your professional skepticism to identify risk and based on that risk tell your approach students whether to increase materiality whether to do substantive procedures whether to do let's say test of controls එහෙම කරන්න planning question එක do it with analytical procedures analytical procedures එකත් එක්ක කරන්න එතකොට risk එක assess කරලා plan කරගන්න පුළුවන් then you can plan well right for you if you want more clarification tomorrow give me a ring right what about ring එකක් දෙන්න support එකක් දෙන්න yes if possible please share a short note related to group audit in your Facebook group yes I will do it ek man karanna need quick view on audit risk please provide a brief audit risk yes risk of auditor providing inappropriate opinion risk assess karadi when you are assessing audit risk as I told you earlier use analytical procedures identify differences major deviations from the ratios perform analytical procedures and identify differences major deviations and based on that deviations go into your procedures so when you are doing audit risk karaddi identify situations where frauds can happen apply fraud risk triangle එක apply karan apply fraud risk triangle opportunities for fraud rationale for fraud motivation and pressure for fraud apply fraud risk triangle identify risk COVID-19 related risk right window dressing risk COVID-19 related let's say impairment risk all sorts of risk identify with the scenario right A scenarios එක්කම ඒක identify කරන්න. In our what do you call the two PDF documents I have shared with you, I have given you a set of risks that are there. So my advice to you, when you are assessing a risk, best thing that you have to do, read the question with a skepticism, apply fraud risk triangle for fraudulent factors when you are reading risk, perform analytical procedures perform karanna, deviations, identify major deviations, and from that deviations to identify kalla ethanic procedures develop kara. That's what you got to do. So that's what very important. And based on that, thereafter you can develop your audit strategy, whether to go for, let's say, more detailed testing, substantive procedures, or analytical procedure. Yes, control environment, most critical is COSO. Control environment chutta balaganna, COSO eke, control environment, top management attitude, top management's management style, all those are very important. Control environment under COSO framework, can you remember that? Control environment chutta balana, top eke horu innawa nan in the company when you are reading, control environment is not sound. So operating style, all these are very important. 9 new messages, very interesting, right, you guys? Who are the parties in audit committee? Audit committee, what do you call, corporate governance should be fully consist of non-executive directors. Audit committee ke innone non-executive directors la headed by an independent non-executive director. Their duty is to evaluate internal audit, external audit, financial reporting function, internal controls. All these are evaluated by the audit committee, right? So audit committee is the one who is deciding the scope of the work of the auditor. He is the one, audit committee is deciding the remuneration, let's say, making recommendations about an auditor. All this is done by audit committee. Independent, non-executive directors are operating in the audit committee. They are into ensuring the discipline within the company. Company ke discipline එක maintain කරන්න තමයි audit committee එක ඉන්නේ. Code of corporate governance audit committee දීලා තියෙනවා. Syllabus එකේ නෑ, not in the syllabus that much, but have a bit of a knowledge on audit committee and non-executive directors and board balance. චුට්ටක් බලාගෙන යන්න. Special purpose financial reporting framework example, maybe let's say it's a Sri Lankan company having reporting requirements for USA as well. Sri Lankan company ka reporting requirements තියෙනවා USA වලට. For that you are preparing financial statements based on, not based on, you have one set of financial statements prepared for LKS. There's another set of financial statements prepared for US generally accepted accounting principles, US GAAP. So that's a special purpose financial statements. So framework is different. A framework එක වෙනස්. So different framework, not Sri Lanka accounting standards, it's something different. US GAAP. Financials prepared based on, let's say, Switzerland financial reporting framework, whatever. Special purpose financial reporting framework. අන්න ඒ වගේ එකක්. Can we bring calculator for calculation? Definitely. Okay, maybe. බෑ කියලා නෑ, මම දන්න විදිහට calculator ගෙන යන්න පුළුවන්. Business risk approach and audit risk approach. Yes, business risk approach means you evaluate the risk of the business first. Risk coming from the business which is in that particular industry. Let's assume these days to a hotel, tourist hotel, business risk is what? Pandemic. Business risk which is there because you are in that particular business. Now business risk approach means you are evaluating the business risk of that particular company, risk there, and developing your audit procedures based on that. Example, pandemic risk to a hotel. So based on that, what are the financial statement assertions that will be misstated? Because of that, impairment risk is there. So you focus more your attention on impairment. That's business risk approach. Then audit risk approach means, student, you are evaluating not only the business risk, You are evaluating the audit risk, where the financial statements may be misstated. That may be because of business risk, maybe control risk, whatever. And a risk. So that's audit risk. Audit risk coming from inherent control and detection risk. So you are doing audits based on risk-based approach, maybe based on business risk and audit risk approach. Business risk approach means you evaluate the business risk that particular business in that particular business. A business risk. Let's say, as I told you, tourism business, pandemic, assertions misstated, you are focused. So audit risk means risk of auditor providing inappropriate opinion. It may be, let's say, internal controls violation, or let's say whatever, a misstatement. So you focus on that and you perform your audit procedures. Is last lesson that internal audit compulsory? Yes. Internal audit compulsory. Yes, compulsory. What is the difference between assurance engagement and agreed upon procedures? Assurance engagement means, students, where you are providing assurance. Crest when it assurance part take a very important. Agreed upon procedure. Assurance means where you are providing some kind of a comfort to the user of the financial statements. So it has to have criteria, report, evidence, subject matter, and triparties. Assurance. Agreed upon. So that's assurance engagement. There are two types of assurance engagements: reasonable assurance and limited assurance. Audit and review. Agreed upon procedure means non-assurance, where I think it's SLR, Sri Lanka Standards on Related Services 4400, SLSRS 4400 and non agreed upon. Last time question came from assurance engagements. So you got to assurance, agreed upon procedure means, agreed upon procedure can you are agreeing procedures with the management and you perform those procedures. You don't provide any assurance. You are just providing facts. You are providing, it's just a fact-finding mission. Like a fact-finding mission. No assurance provided. People who are reading should make their own assurance. They have to form their own opinion. Assurance. So assurance coming from audit, reasonable assurance, review, limited assurance, agreed upon procedure, non-assurance. You are providing just a fact-finding. So is online exam open book? So far I heard it's closed book. Right? online exam එක closed book වගේ තමයි තියෙන්නේ. මට තාම sure නෑ. හෙට වෙද්දි මම කියන්නම් by tomorrow. Sir, can we take the code of ethics book issued by CA Sri Lanka to the exam? If it is closed book, you can't. Closed book number. Closed book exam. I think physical exam it's closed book, so you can't get under there. Difference between SLSAE 3400 and 3420 and how to give assurance. Yes, I will share a small question, small answer over that. Whenever admission, when you can get your admission, maybe by tomorrow you can download from your profiles, right? From the what you call CA Sri Lanka website, you can download. They have said no. Yes, admission can be downloaded from tomorrow onwards. What is the difference between intimidation threat and advocacy threat? Students, intimidation threat means you have been intimidated by your client. Client is influencing you, intimidating, threatening you where your objectivity and independence is violated. Threat of physical harassment, threat of, let's say, loss of employment, threat of legal action against you to influence you to provide a favorable opinion to them. Intimidation. So your intimidation your independence and objectivity will be violated. Advocacy threat means where you are providing opinion on behalf of a client, or maybe you are promoting a client, like you represent client for a legal case, you represent a client for, let's say, tender board evaluation. things like that. Advocacy means you are promoting the opinion of a client. Intimidation means you are being threatened by the client. So for intimidation, what you can do, you can in all these you can inform client's audit committee, or you can inform this to firm's ethics partner, additional partner review. If this persists, you can resign from your employment or your client. Okay, so a lot of questions. Good, your enthusiasm. Right, students, a few last moment advice. We did a lot of work, right? People who were not in our class but who had contact with me, we did a lot of work, right? We all had done really well. So that means we have the base. Now it's all what managing our last few moments. Avasana moments keep it manage karaganna එක තමයි ළමයි දැන් තියෙන්නේ. You can do it, right? Stay motivated. හොඳට motivate වෙන්න. You can do it, right? If average personnel can me become a chartered accountant, මට පුළුවන් නම් chartered accountant කෙනෙක් වෙන්න, right? You can do it without any problem, right? ඒක ඔයාලට කරන්න පුළුවන්. So focus on your dream, becoming a chartered accountant. Stay motivated. මම හැම වෙලේම කියන්නේ motivate වෙන්න ඕන නම්, if you want to be motivated, just think about your mom, just think about your father. තාත්තගේ අම්මා ගැන පොඩ්ඩක් හිතන්න. තාත්තගේ මහන්සිය ගැන, right? Your father's toil that he has been doing for so long years about you, right? ඒක ගැන හිතන්න. ළමයි ඒ අර වෙන motivation එකක් වාට ඕනේ නැහැ. Nothing else, right? Or if you are married, think about your kids, think about your wife, right? ඔයාගේ wife ගැන හිතන්න, married නම් ළමයි ගැන හිතන්න. ඒගොල්ලන්ට ඔයා හොඳ තැනක් අත් කරලා දෙන්න ඕන. දෙමාපියන්ට ඔයා හොඳ තැනක් මීට වඩා දෙන්න ඕන, right? About you have to prosper. You got to prosper, right? So stay motivated. Stay motivated. Just as දෙක පොඩ්ඩක් close කරලා ඒ ගැන හිතන්න. එතනින් එහාට තව මොකුත් ඕනේ නැහැ ළමයි, right? ඒ motivation එකම ඇති. That is enough, right? So you all can do, හැමෝටම කරන්න පුළුවන්. හොඳට smartly හිතන්න, right? මේ දවස් ටිකේ හොඳට කන්න, right? නිදා ගන්න පුළුවන් විදියට නෙමෙයි. 18 hours work I need from you. 18 hours work. 18 hours into 3 days means 54 quality working hours, students. I know that all of you got study leave. 54 quality working hours. Very important, right? පැය 54 හොඳට manage කරන්න. Questions එක බලන්න. The way I told you. Read questions 6 and 7 last. 6 and 7 read at the reading time. Start with MCQs, then 10 marks questions, then last questions, the larger questions. Ekka question එකක්වත් අතාරින්න එපා. Don't leave any question. You all can do. ඔයගොල්ලෝ හැමෝටම කරන්න පුළුවන්. Nothing else, right? කාටවත් මේක ඔයාලා ගොඩ යන එක නවත්තන්න බෑ. Right? So with that message, I pray, right, that all of you will get through without any problem, because I need my students to pass. Okay, students la pass වෙන එක මට වැදගත්. Wherever, right? අපේ class ආවත් නැතත්, whoever students, it's all about country's future. කොමලා අපේ රටේ අනාගතය, right? Country's future. So you all have to do really well. My expectation is that, right? But ඕන එච්චරයි. That's why I want පොඩි හරි අවස්ථාවක් හම්බුනාම job එකක් හරි මම share කරන්න ඔයගලත් එක්ක ඒකයි. Because I knew how it's difficult to find a good job at your age, right? ඔයගලන්ගේ කාලේ හොඳ පඩියක් ගෙවන්න. ඒකයි. ඉතින් අපි හැමෝම ගොඩ යන්න ඕන, right? We all have to get through. මේ අමාරුකම් වලින් අපි හැමෝම ගොඩ යන්න ඕනේ. ඉතින් that's why we started this. That's why you all will do this really well. ඔයගොල්ලෝ හැමෝම මේක හොඳට කරන්න. ඉතින් I am praying for all the success to you. Think about action verbs, the instructions I have gave you. In next 3 days, my telephone is always on. I never switch off, right? Any question which is coming from you, I am readily there to answer. Answer karanna onla ready. This time also, we had 7 prizes. Now I have started lecturing chartered accountancy for 4.5 years. ලොකුයි අවුරුදු 10 15 20 ගණන් නැහැ. අවුරුදු 4මාරයි තාම. 7 prize winners, 5 consecutive. 5 දෙනෙක් එක දිගට. One of you will be the 6th, right? ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ එක්කෙනෙක් 6 වෙනියා වෙනවා. One of you will be the 6th. Would have seen the student who got the last prize was felicitated really well, right? Cash gift was given, right? Everything, all those are there for you. All of you can do, students. I pray, I hope you will do really well, right? Okay, so then all the best to you, students. ඔයගොල්ලෝ හැමෝටම ජය වේවා, right? Anything if you have, just clear from me, clear කරගන්න. Keep in touch, and I know all of you, we will see at your strategic level. අපි ආයි හම්බෙනවා. මේක අවසානයක් නෙවෙයි. This is not an end, and one day we will meet again, right? අපි ආයෙත් හම්බෙනවා. CA Sri Lanka annual conference again as members, right? එදාට we all are equal. Yes, we will meet as ACS. Some of you are putting it. Yes, that's the motivation that you have, right? ඒක තමයි motivation එක ඔයගොල්ලෝ ගාව තියෙන. You know that you are becoming an ACA, right? So all the best to you, students. Stay focused, stay motivated, stay critical, right? Stay and do your hustle. ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ hustle එක කරන්න. And all the best to you, students. Nothing else. All positive vibes. ඔක්කොම positive vibes තියෙන්නේ. You can do it, and I know you will do it. And cheers. Good night to you all. Stay safe. Tell your friends this will be uploaded to YouTube, and I will make my promise. Whatever I told you, I will share with you during tomorrow, right? All the best. Stay safe. Good luck to you, students. Thank you very much.